How to switch accounts on Fortnite Nintendo Switch. Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and in this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of switching accounts on Fortnite for the Nintendo Switch. It's a relatively straightforward procedure, so be sure to follow along. To initiate this process, you'll need to begin on the Epic Games website. Instead of commencing the process on the console itself, navigate to the epicsgame.com using a web browser on either of your phone or a computer. Here you can sign into your Epic Games account to manage all the connections, including the link your Nintendo account. Essentially, this initial step involves unlinking the currently connected Nintendo account in order to effectively switch accounts on the Fortnite for the Nintendo Switch. After signing into your Epic Game account on the website, hover over the icon at the top right corner of the screen and access the account section. Within the account page, utilize the menu on the left side of the screen and navigate to the apps and accounts. Finally, ensure that you've selected the Accounts tab. Here you will find all the connections to your Epic Games or Fortnite account. The task at hand is to remove the link to the Nintendo account that is currently active. Once you've removed the link to the Nintendo account, the next time you open the Fortnite on the Nintendo Switch, you will be prompted to sign into a new Fortnite or Epic Game account. This process needs to be repeated each time you wish to switch accounts, as there is no option to log out within the Fortnite on the Switch. It's important to note that if you don't see the option to remove the link, it's likely because you don't have a linked Nintendo account. However, if you do, simply click on Remove, and after it has been removed, return to your Nintendo Switch, where you will receive the instructions to log into your new account. Should you want to revert to the original account, unlink the new account and re-establish the connection. Upon completion, you'll have the ability to access either of your accounts you wish to use and seamlessly switch between them on the Nintendo Switch. I trust that this tutorial has been helpful in guiding you through the process of switching accounts on Fortnite for the Nintendo Switch. If this video has been beneficial to you, please consider leaving a like and subscribing for more quick and practical tips. Thank you for your attention.